live visuals from Dehradun. So there you can see the friends, family members and people from Dehradun have all gathered here to pay their last respects to Major Dhondial, who lived in Dehradun, survived by his wife, who was martyred yesterday in a deadly encounter that went on for about 18 to 20 hours. But at the same time, these brave soldiers of ours have managed to kill the masterminds as well of that Pulwama attack. 3 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists were also neutralized before they gave their lives for the country. Tushar, now definitely a multi-pronged approach is the need of the hour. Perhaps a little that we can expect from our politicians as well, to not make a mockery of what's really happening. At least, people like Navjot Singh Sidhu, if they, can at least stay quiet instead of questioning our Jawans or not really naming Pakistan and holding Pakistan responsible for what has happened in Pulwama.
Well, certainly, Hina, and the kind of the approach that leaders like Navjot Singh Sidhu of the Congress have, they have been speaking about dialogue. They have been speaking on the lines which are not really at this particular moment acceptable, at least in the country. And he has received the kind of backlash that was that was quite befitting after he had spoken about the kind of approach towards Pakistan. And today we are seeing the visuals of the last rites of Major V.S. Dhondial, and certainly these kind of comments that are coming from various political spectrums should really be avoided at this particular juncture, because we have lost more than 40 of our Jawans in the last 4 days, and really insulting their sacrifice by saying such kind of approach needs to be adopted by the Indian government. And today we spoke earlier. We spoke to the childhood friend of V.S. Dhondial. Major V.S. Dhondial. He mentioned that he was somebody who was always smiling, somebody who always used to make an effort to talk to other people, somebody who always interacted with other people. So certainly a big loss to the Indian Army, a big loss to the family, and somebody who just got married almost 8 months ago, and certainly disheartening scenes.
Absolutely, and India salutes its brave soldiers, its martyrs. Tushar, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us. We'll come back to you for more.